Hello, it's Mark and Cars and Cameras, and today I have a quick unboxing and a comparison video to the Mac Mini. This is the new Mac Studio computer, and this one is the base model with the M1 Max chip with the 10-core CPU, 24-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine, and 32 gigabytes of memory. So in the box, you get the computer as you see here and that power cord and nothing else. That is it. That's what you get for your $2,000. Now, let's take a look at the ports on there. So on the front, you have those two USB-C ports and the SD card slot. And it's really beautiful. I really like its machined look. It's really cool. Has a lot more ports on the back. We'll talk more about that in a second. Here's that power cord that it comes with. So here it is, and it's kind of like 3 Mac Minis if you stack them on top of each other. So here's the computer, and it's heavy. It's really heavy. It was the shipping weight like 18 pounds. So let's go ahead and put the Mac Mini on top, and you can see it's just about the same size. So without opening it up, what I understand is that whole top half is really the cooling system to this. You can see there, and you can see the port. So it's really cool on the back as you have those 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, 1 HDMI port, and a 10 gigabit Ethernet and 1 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Okay, so you can see there, I believe that is the Kingston lock. I think that's what that is. Somebody can correct me on that. Okay, I really like that it has on the front the SD card slot, which is really cool. I use that quite a bit. And those 2 extra ports on the front. So be sure to come back to my channel. This is a quick unboxing. We're going to compare it up against the M1 Mac Mini right away. So be sure you check back with my channel for updates. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and have a wonderful day. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.